Having this wall up for the past 18 months has been a great reminder to our team that they're loved and that they're cared about. I was with a group of people that went to the Alabama concert at the Bristol Speedway. They played the song Angels Among Us, and I remember sitting there, I was with a couple other ballad folks, and just getting super emotional. You know, COVID, we were kind of coming off the first wave and going into the second wave, and you know, people were just tired, they were hurt.
Morale was really kind of all over the place for a while. When the waves would increase, our case number would increase, morale would kind of dip a little bit. And so I think about the time the Angel Wall came to be, morale was starting to get low again.
And there was something about that song, so we started this Angel Wall and really just opened it up for team members just to go down and write stories about, you know, people that they worked with or people that touched their lives. Almost immediately you had staff that were writing things, you had visitors that were writing things. Then a couple of weeks you had 1,000 different things on there, all the way up to the ceiling, and it was really cool to see.
With the Angel Wall, you could see people light up when they would talk about seeing their name on there. For me, and for other people too, like after a long day, walking down the hallway on your way out, sometimes I found myself just stopping and reading all the things. And we make an impact every day on our patients' lives, but we don't always feel that way. So when you see your name, a specific message or a special story that they remember about you, that makes the biggest impact.
It took over one wall, then the next wall, and the next wall. And a couple of days later, I had sent a note to the band and just said, hey, just want you to know this song really touched me. And we did this thing here at the hospital, and just want to say thank you. And you're an inspiration to so many people. And it was Randy Owen. So it was the lead singer of the band. And he just wanted to say how much he thought of people who work in healthcare, and that song was his favorite song, and that he was glad that had touched us here, and wanted to send out words of encouragement and prayer to our team.
The Angel Wall at JCMC in Niswonger has been such a creative and impactful way to express gratitude. I've been able to watch employees and visitors linger by the wall and really soak it in and take in all the comments that were made. I think this was a wonderful way for patients and visitors to be able to say thank you in a meaningful and lasting way. So I want to echo that and just say thank you to our staff and the wonderful care that we provide at this hospital.
For everyone who took time to show appreciation or to write a message, it showed each other how resilient we are and that we can overcome any challenge.
And it's just a place you can look and you can just kind of consume yourself in all the love that people have for each other here, and that's how it started, and that's what we want for our team.